This is brother versus brother. Jonathan versus Drew. Trying to think of which space to do for this week's challenge, and I think it makes the most sense to get all of the extra rooms out of the way. The laundry room, the family room, all of those other specialty rooms. 1 week, so we have to figure out who the judges would be. I personally think Egypt would be amazing. Having Egypt Sherrod would be a great addition to my mom and dad for judging us this week. She's a real estate expert, just like me. She'll think like me as well, and I need anything I can get. All right, I'm gonna call her. Put her on speakerphone, I wanna hear. It's voicemail. Ugh. Hey, Egypt, it's Drew, your favorite twin brother. We want you to judge Jonathan and me in brother versus brother, and you'll be joining my parents. It's gonna be in a week here in Vegas. Let me know. I'll talk to you soon. Okay, so the winner does the trapezing. We're doing the specialty rooms. Mom and Dad in Egypt are judging. This is gonna be fun. I'm winning this one. You are not going down. I'm the circus king. Dismount! What? Oh, my God. There's the circus king. This is not gonna be good for Drew. I bought this place for $352,750, and I'm investing $147,000 for a renovation. So far, I've spent $68,000 renovating the living room, dining room, and kitchen, and $33,000 on the master bedroom and bathroom. But I went over budget and lost that challenge. I'm down 2-1 to Jonathan, so I'm gonna spend $20,000 on the specialty rooms to get back into this game. There are a lot of options for this room, but I think a game room is what will appeal to most buyers. First step, it needs to feel bigger and brighter, so it's curtains for the curtains. I'll re-drywall the whole room and add a set of glass French doors which will flood the space with light. We'll also level out the floors to tie in with the rest of the space. You'll be able to watch the game here, play some games here, and if anyone gets thirsty, you can grab a soda from the beverage bar. I bought this property for $318,000 and I'm budgeting $150,000 for the renovation. I've already spent $70,000 renovating the living room, dining room, and kitchen, and another $30,000 for a huge win last week in the master bedroom and bathroom. I budgeted $20,000 on the specialty rooms. A win this week will give me a stranglehold on this competition. I'll remove the walk-in closets to reclaim some square footage, then turn all of this space into 2 distinctive living areas. I can easily fit a TV room here where families can get together and watch a movie. And with plenty of square footage left over, I'll create a clearly defined and very comfortable office. Here, families can work hard and play hard. Let's see who can destroy their closet faster. Go. Tracy, did you take my pry bar? Never mind. That's how we demo a laundry room. Why don't we pull the rug up?
Sounds like a plan.
All right, what side do you want?
I'll take the high road.
You'll take the high road, I'll take the low road. This is the one time it's okay to pull the rug out from under me. Well, that's not good. This was an addition at some point, and I guess just over time, it has settled, and the whole front of this room is down about 3 inches. So we're gonna have to level that out, and that's gonna take a lot of filler. We'd have to get started on that first thing in the morning. Team Drew is making great progress in the specialty room challenge. Also, the reclaimed wood wall is up in the family room. And today, my plumber Rory is in, and he's gonna let me know if I can make my double washer dryer laundry room dream come true. I hope you're bringing me good news.
Well, I wish I could say that I am, but I think that we're gonna run into a big issue with trying to add the stackable washer dryer here ×2. Basically, we're starting from scratch, and you're talking quite a bit of money here. We're in the area of 2,000 or better.
We're already capping our budget, you know, so do you really want this? Because we're going to find savings somewhere else then.
It's Vegas. We're gonna have to gamble a little bit here. Okay. If this laundry room is exactly what every single homeowner wants to see, it could help me beat Jonathan in this challenge. So I want that, but I'll have to find somewhere else that I can save some money. This house is old, so as usual, nothing is square, nothing is straight. So to make it look that way, I've got to get creative. This is called scribing, and it's a trick to get the contour of the ceiling on our drywall so that once we cut it, we'll push it and it'll be flush all the way up to the top. Tricks of the trade. Because of our floor leveling delay, we'll be drywalling, mudding, and taping into the night. But by the end of it, this house listing will have 5 bedrooms instead of 4.
Everything is moving forward. The flooring is coming along, cabinets are going into place. In the family room, I've decided to float the lower cabinets. I want to see that reclaimed wood below, around, and above the lower cabinets. It's going to look gorgeous.
It's the final day of the Specialty Room Challenge, and we are starting it out with a bang. I budgeted $20,000 for the Specialty Room Challenge. We spent some extra money on leveling the floors and turning one room into 2, and even though we saved a few $100s on some electrical and door framing, I still ended up over budget by $5,000. I'm trying to paint the picture for a buyer that these don't have to just be bedrooms, they could be used as specialty rooms. There's only so much that can be done by the construction, and the rest of the way is all how you style it.
All right, let's open this up.
It is crunch time. I need to get all the furniture, finish all the final bit of work, and get this thing done.
Okay. We have so many more rooms to do in this challenge than the other ones, so it's important for us to have these great options.
Well, we have a lot more to unload too, so let's go.
I budgeted $20,000 for my Specialty Room Challenge. My double washer dryer was an extra cost, but I found some amazing deals on tile, countertop, and cabinetry, so I ended up right back on budget.
I'm super excited to see the first house. This is not going to be an easy day. Are we ready?
Yes.
All right.
Oh, boy, isn't this huge?
Great choice to just open everything up.
Oh, I love the
Big
space.
space.
It's humongous.
It's
That's
a dance floor.
fantastic.
You two dance?
Da-da-da-da.
Okay, that's too cute for the room. This feels like a fun place to live. Let's see this room.
What we got here?
Oh!
This is ideal.
You walk in the office space and the world of possibilities opens up. More and more people are working from home, so they're always looking for a space that
yes.
could be an office.
And it can always be reconverted to another bedroom.
Look,
That's funny.
No good parents.
judges their son.
2 desks back to back is great. I'm totally stealing that idea.
What we got here? Oh, boy. This is a
is
cozy
great.
little room.
Isn't it?
yeah.
It's really cute. Popcorn. Okay, I'm sold.
I can't be near popcorn and not eat it. That used to be one long bedroom. I think it was very genius to add a wall there, split up the space, and give you possibilities.
I like that
Yes.
big painting.
That's going to be super popular with buyers.
Oh,
That's an
unusual,
interesting
yeah.
light fixture.
Considering you have such an open floor plan in the rest of the house, if one wants to escape, they have an option.
Oh, right.
So I walk in the laundry room and I think, perfect. Great use of space, perfect location for a laundry room. I love all the storage. They've used every nook and cranny possible, and they've used it smartly.
Well,
Mother?
it was fantastic.
Yeah?
Beautiful job.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah.
I'm impressed.
But, big question mark. Boop.
Yeah.
What?
I can't figure out which one it is. I would put my money on Drew, but I'm gonna wait and see the next house.
Oh, wow.
This is a nice house.
Isn't it?
You walk in the door and immediately you get the wow factor that everyone begs for when they're looking for a home. This is a wonderful touch here. The
Yes.
exposed beam.
Look at this. I love that reclaimed wood.
The word is elegant. Elegant.
So Jonathan or Drew?
I would have said that that was
Jonathan.
Jonathan. Reclaimed
Mhm.
wood would be him.
But that could be Drew trying to make us think that's
Yes,
They're messing with us.
Yeah.
and they're good at it.
Let's see this room. Ooh. So this used to be the theater.
Now it's the games room.
I think it's a better use of space. As
I
a
do,
whole.
yeah, I
Yeah.
think it is, yeah.
It could be a den, man room, the kids' playroom, a game room. So many possibilities.
And it's a really nice room. When did we move in?
All right.
Wow. Now this is color.
nice.
It's such a contrast from what it was before because it was so generic. Now it's wow. Well, let's see more.
All right.
Now this is the laundry.
Ah!
Oh, yeah, this is
Oh
nice.
boy, look at
That
this.
is big. Oh my
Oh,
gosh,
that-
double washer and double
Is
dryer.
this a house or a laundromat?
Yeah.
This is a laundry room, yeah.
That is fantastic.
Wow.
This room is everything that I need in my life. You have these extra tall cabinets that go all the way up to the ceiling. You even have storage and a little seat there. That's great because you always want some place to tuck your dirty laundry, literally and figuratively, if guests come over. What do you think, Mama Jo, as far as laundry rooms go? On a scale of 1 to 10. 10 being the highest.
This would be a 10.
Yeah.
9.9.
I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna say in the end.
Whatever you were talking about, stop it now.
This is the important stuff.
You guys took way too long.
So, what would you say your impression was of the whole experience?
Mind-boggling.
Yeah, it was mind-boggling. Yeah, it was so much improvement.
What are some things that jumped out for you as pros with each of the houses?
So with Forest Crest, all of that space, it's hard to believe was in one room, but it was great to divvy it up.
I really liked the office. I thought that was excellent. And the family room, I thought it was kind of small, but it was cozy. I really liked it.
I really loved Forest Crest as a family home.
There were some, all across the board, just smart flipping decisions made in that house that I think will appeal to buyers.
For a heavenly view, it was a heavenly view.
I'll tell you, having 2 washers and 2 dryers, it rides between overkill and super convenient.
The rustic effect of the wood on the wall, I love that.
And the game room. It had foosball. How do you get any better than that?
I'm trying to read between the lines, and I actually can't really tell which one you're favoring.
We can't tell which
We
one
can't
we're
tell either.
Yeah.
They're both great
We're kind of
houses.
torn.
All I want to know, is it unanimous?
Or
No.
have you discussed?
They actually haven't discussed it yet.
Oh,
really? On 3, I want you to say the name of the property that you feel wins. It's either Heavenly View or Forest Crest. 1, 2, 3.
Heavenly View.
All 3! All 3 to
It's
me!
yours?
Yes.
I would not have guessed that.
Now he has to dangle from 30 feet up in the air.
I'm a little cuckoo, but I'm not gonna stay here and chat. I have to get into my tight spandex, and I have to warm up for the show. So you
Oh my
guys,
gosh.
I'll see you there.
Okay.
Gracie.
You're not gonna lose your dad.
Yeah.
Not today.
Ladies and gentlemen, the amazing Flying Angel. And performing with them this evening, a very special high-flying guest star, Drew Scott. All right, Drew, are you ready?
No.
Silence, please.